Excellent day to every one of us. I want to create a follow-up video on how to. Um, I said it in our registered members group, and I want to create a video on how you can use the D4H18 trading strategy um, to trade in the uptrend market at lower time frame using the D4H18 trade strategy. So below this video, you will see the strategy. And when I created this strategy, the market was on a downward trend then. The market was in a downward trend. On the 1 day chart, the market was in a downward trend. All the coins, if you go and check my video, the strategy was that when the coins on the 1 day chart, the 1 day chart, the 4 day chart is on a downward trend, then you can enter this any coin with confidence that you don't have to stay too long in a trade. But now, if you go and check most of the coins now, let's go to this coin. The first step to enter any coin, as I always say, when you go to home page, look for the highest negative coin, then check the coin on the 1 month chart to see the coin trade history. Now, check the coin is it on a downward trend on the daily chart and on the 4-hour chart, and check the coin that whether it's on a downward trend on the 4-hour chart or on 1-hour chart. Now we will now discover that most of the coins now, because the market has moved, most of the coins now on the 1 day chart, 4-hour chart, they are on the up. So in the previous video, I was talking about that you should only trade any coin even if it's the highest negative if the candles are on a downward trend. I'm coming. If the candles are on a downward trend like this and they are closer to the last Bullish band, but we're already in an uptrend market where most of the coins, as we can see on the 1 day chart, are already moving up. Most of the coins are moving up. If you check the 4-hour chart too, you see that most of the coins are you seeing it? It moved up. It's about to go down. So most of the coins in the 1 day and 4-hour chart, they are up. Let's check this coin too. The market always makes when the market is in an upward trend, you see that most of the coins, they will be having the same pattern. See this one too. Despite this negative, on the 1 day chart is high going up, meaning that days ahead is coming down. If you go and check the 4-hour chart, we can see that it is also in an upward trend. I hope you are seeing what I'm saying. You will discover that most of the coins are on the upward trend, meaning that later they will come down. Go and check because the market is already moving. If we check Cello too, let's check the 1 day chart. You see that the coin has been on the upward trend for days and is about to go down. If we check the 4-hour, you will see that most of this coin went up and is coming down. So unless the market move up more, it will go up. But for you now to trend, use the D4H18 down trend strategy that I shared in the former video, which says that first and foremost, you need to go and check this coin. You need to go and check this coin. Check this coin on the 1 month first to know whether this coin is an old coin. Because old coin has enough trading history. This is 2021. So because most of the coins are on the upward trend on the 1 day 4-hour charts, you keep on searching. So the next thing for you now is now to look for any coins that will have a downward trend on the 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. because on the 1 day, the 4 hours, because on the 1 day chart, 4 hour chart, most of the coins are uptrend. Let me just show us. Since the rule can see they are on the uptrend, and the 4 hours they are also on the uptrend. You can see it's moving sideways. So if you touch here, it can still go up. But you need to now focus now. When the market is uptrend like this, you need to now look for coins that has downward trend in the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour, and take 1.5% and leave it trade. So I searched and I found this coin, which I'm going to enter, because on the 1 day chart, actually the coin is seriously moving up because the market is moving up. I've checked the Bitcoin on the 1 month chart, the 1 week chart, on the 1 day chart. It shows that Bitcoin is still going to move up. So that means Bitcoin is already dragging the market up. That's why we are saying that we're already in a bullish market, in an uptrend market. So what I need to do now, I have to go and look at the lower time frame. I will start from, let me start from 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, you can see that the pattern that I want, that I used to recommend on 1 day, on the 4 hour chart, is already playing out on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So I will make sure that I want to see that this downward trend is on 30 minutes, 1 hour, at least either under 30 minutes and 1 hour. And it can form on 15 minutes. Like this coin now is forming that downward trend, and you can see that the candles have already broken down to the lowest line of the Bollinger Band, already forming a green candle. And if you go and check the RSI is 21. It's a very good sign. RSI is 21. If you check my former strategy on that D4H1 down trade strategy, just the recommendation, make sure the candles have been broken. Then if you check the 1 hour, we see the same pattern. Are you seeing it? Green candle, red candle has dropped and broken the lowest band. It's forming a green candle here, and RSI is 23. Then in 15 minutes too, the same pattern, the same formation. So I can enter this coin with my full chest, and I will take small percentage. I'll just enter magic strategy bot, create, click next. And before I go, this account is having like okay, let me look for another account. This account, let me use an account that is having like $600. Because now this account is having $617, and I will be trading only one coin. So what will I do? I will enter the coin which I've identified, that on the 1 hour chart, on the 30 minutes chart, I'm seeing a downtrend. Are you seeing it? A green candle is already forming there. On 1 hour, I'm seeing another downward trend, massive one. And on 15 minutes, and the RSI is low, 26. So I can enter this coin and invest much more into it. So I'll click next. Just see the steps, what I did. I enter the coin, I click create, click magic strategy bot, click create, then click the last next down, then click the trade setting down. Don't click activate trade setting. Then in the next page, click manually create, then click choose a strategy settings. Be following what I'm doing and change this Warehouse mode to some being real-time mode settlement. Click it. I will now pick my setting for this account, because this account has, as one I'm using J3 setting. So I'll tap this in the middle to import the setting. And the moment I come here, I must change this whole Warehouse mode to sub-beam mode real-time settlement, so that the bot will be buying and selling in case the market goes down further. Then here, I will change here my first buying amount to, I can even put as high as $200. Don't do this if you don't have enough capital, because this account is having like $600, 615 thereabout. So I'll commit 200. The remaining 400, I cannot immediately change this to $25 again, because I know what I'm. If you have small capital like $200, don't go and do this. If you have $200, just put like $15 of first buying amount. if you have $300, put like $20 first buying amount. Don't do what I'm doing. So I'll come here, change this to 1.5 because I want the coin to sell fast. Then I'll click save. Then I'll off this margin call so that the ball will not go and pick $20 immediately again. I'll off it. Then I'll click activate. I'll click create. So the moment I go back up here, I'll go and confirm whether the bot has bought. It has bought $200 worth. So I will now off back because the bot will on it. I will go back and change this $100 to like 30, let's say $30, because the account has enough. Because I know the coin will move and sell fast. Then I will now click save again. Then I can go and switch on, so to allow the bot to buy more in case the coin dip more, because the coin has really, I waited for almost 3 hours before I discovered this coin, because I waited for it to go down. I want to say a really strong downward trend on 30 minutes, 1 hour. Then on 15 minutes, I can beat my chest that in few hours this trade will sell. That's why I put so much money on the on the on the first buying amount. So I will just refresh to start. Now I can show you that today alone I've entered 3 trades using this strategy. I've entered 3 trades just today, and 2 trades today. One is PHB and then Pond. So this is the third using this strategy because the market is moving, so coin will be selling very, very fast. So as I was saying that I've done this is the third trade I'm doing this today, taking small percentage. That's what I did in this trade. I want to just show us at the top right hand corner here. You can see that they bought the moment I started with $194 here, the first buy now, because this account is having like $615, $16. That's why I can afford to do this, and I quickly switch off the margin so that it will not go and consume all the money. So I now changed the first buying amount to like I think I changed it to 29. So the coin went down again. It bought $30. It bought $30 again. It bought $30 again. So when it was giving me profits, it gave me profit of what 0.88% and on $295. So the moment you see an opportunity to sell, it will sell. So if you do like this in for 4 coins in a day, you can be making $10, because you want to be scalping. This scalping trading strategy is scalping. You want to take trading profit very fast and get out because the market is on the uptrend. You don't want the market to turn back on you. So this is just a strategy on how you can trade. Use the D481H trading strategy when the market is in uptrend by trading on the lower time frame, because when you are trading on the lower time frame, you are scalping. That's called scalping trading strategy. You are trading at the lower time frame and taking faster profit. If you are using the lower time frame to trade, take small profit of 1.5% and get out. Is when you are using the original D481H trading strategy where the coins are down on the 1 day and on the 4 hours, that you can be putting like 3%, 4%, 5%, knowing that because you can take more profit on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart. But on the lower time frame, take small profit and get out. It's better you take small profit and engage in different coins in a day than trying to take more profit on one coin and getting stuck when the market goes again. So this is just a short video on how to use the strategy. So thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and bye bye. So if you like to join RoyalQ, below this video you will see my WhatsApp number on how to get started. Thank you and God bless.